Hey everybody, welcome to the show.
Welcome to the show.
Hey, I got this idea. Let's do breakfast for dinner eggs Benedict. What do you say?
Lobster.
That was quick. Eggs Benedict.
Lobster.
Eggs Benedict.
Lobster.
Eggs Benedict.
Lobster tails.
Eggs Benedict.
I want lobster.
Lobster. You want lobster? How about this? We do a mashup. We do Lobster Eggs Benedict. We'll do butter poached lobster, soft poached eggs, hollandaise on a fat bagels, everything bagel. Come on.
I love it.
High five. Good job. Let's go. My name's John Conley, AKA Johnny Brava.
I'm Conley, AKA the Leftover King.
I own 3 restaurants in Flagstaff, Arizona. And there's nothing I love more than raiding my kitchens with my son Adam, so we can come home and mash up our favorite foods. This is John and Adam Raid the Kitchen.
Adam and then John.
So did we get all the ingredients?
Yes.
Excellent. Let's talk about what we're gonna do.
What are we going to talk about?
Eggs Benedict.
What are we talking about?
Let me tell you a little bit about how the Benedict came to be. The rumor has it this is how the Benedict started. In like 1894, there was a banker, a guy off of Wall Street. His name was Lemner Benedict. He walked into the Waldorf Hotel, loaded. Been doing a little too much of that, was not a teetotaler. And he said, fix me something for my hangover. And the chefs in the Waldorf developed the first Eggs Benedict. An English muffin, toasted. It's got ham or Canadian bacon on it. It has a soft poached egg, beautiful hollandaise, a little bit of lemon in there. That's the classic. We're not doing that. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do a butter poached lobster Benedict.
Let's go.
Hey, let's start with the lobsters. This is from Pier 22, Maine, raw 4-ounce lobster tails. Let's bust this open and we'll cut it up and poach it in some butter. I'll do the first one and then you can come right in and do the second one. So I'm gonna pop this out and then we're gonna pull that and that's gonna go right there. You wanna do one? There you go. Now, push that. Perfect. Perfect. Now grab it and just peel it out.
Help me!
The flesh of this, the meat is
I'm naked. Where's that?
pull it out of the shell. Perfect. All right, let's dice this up. That's perfect. Well done. And we're gonna poach this in some butter.
Let's do it.
Got this beautiful unsalted double grade A sweet cream butter from Shamrock. So just put this in the pot. We're gonna break this down, let this slowly come down to a slow simmer, gently put that side down. We're gonna let that melt, and then we're gonna start some poached eggs. You wanna start some poached eggs?
It's my favorite food.
We do poached eggs at home. You do eggs every morning. You take all your leftovers, you take everything you can find, and you scramble it with eggs.
I'm a leftover king because I'm a king and I like leftovers.
You're like the egg master. You're good at it.
Yeah.
That didn't work. No, that sure didn't, did it? All right, so let's talk about poaching. So you're gonna see some bubbles start on the bottom. We don't want this tummy to roll boil. We want it to just come up to a simmer. We put a little bit of this vinegar. I like rice wine vinegar. You can use white vinegar. It doesn't really matter, but we want a couple good ounces in there. And that's perfect. So we're gonna do a centrifuge, and we're gonna put everything in a clockwise motion just because I can. And then I'm gonna drop the egg and it won't stick to the bottom. What are you doing, boy? All right, let's poach an egg. What do you say? We're gonna put this egg in this strainer and you're gonna see the loose fats come out. See how it's just gonna come out in the bottom? That little piece, we don't want that. That's gonna go bye-bye. Then we're gonna get this tight little poached egg. So we're gonna put this in here. We're gonna roll it off. Same with this one. There you go, roll it off, perfect. We're gonna poach this for about 4 minutes or until we can see that the yolk is just secured. I want a soft, warm yolk.
Yummy, yummy, scrumptious, eggy, eggy, egg.
While these are poaching, maybe we should start the poached lobster. Just slowly put the lobster in the butter. We're gonna poach them in shamrock butter for about 4 minutes. Beautiful. You can use big old handfuls.
Poach, 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 poach.
Gently. Now we're gonna check these eggs. These are gonna go in the ice bath. We're just gonna cool those down real quick. Perfectly poached egg.
It looks like a perfectly symmetrical.
It's perfectly symmetrical. That's looking good. Now, should we start our hollandaise?
I say yes.
Let's go, come on over. We're gonna separate some eggs. Ready? Got it, there you go. We gotta have all the whites off. There you go, see how the last of it fell off? You got it. Go ahead and put it right in there. That is definitely a separated egg. Hands out, one more. There you go.
Blubber, blubber, blubber.
You like to play with your food, don't you?
No, well, I just want to let you separate.
All right, don't break it. Put it in there. Excellent. All right, so right now we got the yolks in there. We're gonna add some lemon. Perfect. Squeeze it on in there. Just let it rip. There you go. Looks great. Okay, so next step, butter. So look, now we're gonna take the butter that the lobster is poaching in. It's got this beautiful lobster flavor to it. Just dip it in there and just get the butter, no lobster. I need 4 of those. I wish I could take credit for this, but Hillary came up with this one. She said, look, why don't we use the butter that the lobster's poached in? So we're gonna do that. Hillary, yay!
Hey.
She's over there by the garden.
Oh my gosh!
By the garden
so
tools.
Dramatic. Oh my gosh,
Okay.
Hillary, oh my god, yeah, we go get. I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna put a little Cholula in there right now.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, you put the Cholula. A couple shakes. We got our eggs in there. Adam loves Cholula. That's plenty right there. That's plenty. Stop. Really. All right, we're gonna have red hollandaise. Okay, put just a couple ounces, maybe a half an ounce of water. When I turn this on, I'm gonna flash it like this, okay? Go ahead and start pouring that right in that hole. Go ahead. Slowly, very slowly, very slowly, very slowly. A little more. You got it. That's good, stop right there. Adam, you just made the perfect hollandaise. Look at the consistency of this. Beautiful. Try that. You know, I thought you put too much Cholula in there.
Yeah, I think I did.
Perfect. It was perfect. You crushed it.
Yeah.
I'm not making hollandaise anymore. You can make it from now on, okay?
All right.
High five. Let's make a lobster poached Benedict. What do you say?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna toast some bagels. I just had another idea. Let's toast this with the butter that has the lobster in it. So we're gonna use lobster-infused butter to toast these bagels. What do you say?
All right.
All right, grab that one.
A little butter heavy.
That's butter heavy. Try this.
Ah! I was kidding.
Oh my gosh. All right.
Can you try to handle this?
Can my cholesterol handle this? This is a once in a year treat. Way to go. Boom. Got you the bagel? Grab the half, please. Nice. Beautiful. All right. Excellent. All right, you ready to start? We need some lobster, please. There you go. Right on top there. Perfect. Can you hear it sizzling? Beautiful. Give me 2 more big ones. We're gonna do this right on top of this one. Nice. I'm gonna put a poached egg right on top of that. If you wanna take one of these poached eggs, right on top of there. Here we go.
Hillary and Adam sauce.
Hillary and Adam's hollandaise sauce. Look at that. This is gonna be so decadent.
But it looks really good right now.
Doesn't it? All right, we're gonna do a little bit of paprika right on top. This is micro cilantro, perfect. Right, a little more on top of that one. Perfect. Butter poached lobster, soft poached eggs, hollandaise on an everything bagel. I've been looking at this for way too long. I'm ready to eat. Choose your weapons. Ready, set, go. Look at that. Oh my. Come on. Oh. This should be illegal. That was so good. That was so good.
It's really good. I can really taste that butter lobster sauce.
It's like a lobster butter bomb. I could never tell my cardiologist about this. How many stars?
A 10.5.
This was amazing. You're gonna wanna make it. You can find our lobster bagel Benedict recipe in the bio. For more information about all the Shamrock ingredients that we use today, check out the link below.
Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow, and leave a comment for the Conleys.
All right, so now we gotta say goodbye.
Goodbye, goodbye.
See you later, everybody.
Bye.